Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and today is day, let me check कौन सा दिन है आज. Today is day 33 of my blog and this is the day 10 of my English challenge. You know, like I took a challenge, so first I completed for 7 days, so this is my 10 day and I try to complete 30 days maybe for first time. So welcome back, and today I have done my speaking practice. So today actually is a very good day for me. So I got a chance to connected with some good people like one Indonesian girl, one Mexican guy, one US person. Although like his ID shown as US, United States of America, but he's from some African country. But yeah, overall, today's was good. Like there is no Pakistani, Bangladeshi people. Like I'm not hating them, but yeah, it's a good thing to connect with some new culture people. So I had a very good conversation with Indonesian girl. So yeah, we discuss on some topics. So but the application limited only 8 minutes. So yes, this is about the speaking task. And if I talk about reading task, so today I have like got a chance to read my Mossad book. So I have finished one more chapter on that book, and honestly it's night 8:30 because like today is like very hectic day in office. So I had to do lot of things. So now I will do my writing practice, so which I show you tomorrow blog. All right, so maybe you can understand like some days we don't have that much time, but I try to complete uh, my daily practice. So speaking practice हो गई है, speaking practice has done, reading practice has done. Now I have to done the writing practice. So basically like I watch the day task. Like I watched one video. So that video, the video actually that was a movie clip of the Night Watchman movie. If you remember that, the museum one, the Night Watchman. So it's a little conversation, around 1 minute conversation video, and that video they cut out the 4 or 5 words. So I saw all the words and things. Honestly, very difficult to learn all 5 words. So if okay, I will share my skin with you in the near future. So like there are 70 plus flashcard, and I am only able to finish only 10 to 15 or 10 to 12 only. It's very difficult to finish all the thing because it's every day adding 5, 6 or 7 new cards, which is not possible to learn. अगर इतना ही सीखना, इतना ही समझ में आता तो फिर एक बात ही क्या थी. लाइक वी डोंट स्ट्रगल दिस मच इफ वी गेट दिस मच यू नो if we are able to digest this much knowledge in a one day. So yeah, again वही छोटी छोटी शुरुआत हो गई है. छोटा सा जो टास्क था विच आई हैव डन. Now I have to do writing practice, which is like making sentences and all. So yeah, that's it for today. I think today vlog is very short. It's only for 4 minutes. But yeah, कुछ दिन अच्छे होते हैं, कुछ दिन अच्छे नहीं भी होते हैं. But yeah, what is main thing, guys? Anyone remember? Okay, let me tell you. Consistency is the key. Consistency ही maintain करनी है, बाकी सब अपने आप हो जाएगा. So that's it for today. Bye bye. मिलते हैं कल के ब्लॉग में. Bye.